after the removal of all debris, retaining wall remnants and brush. April 18th. It's another stump impaled in the sewer line. And the third limb into the sewer line. And tell us what it is on the camera.
He's been It's too bad it's not a little clearer, although at least you can see the weight marks.
Back end of Ole's 17 acres. It's flat on the top. It goes down. Has some moderate sized trees on it. And then levels off down at the well. More of the trees. Well, it's in right here. And then it's cleared below. And this is the view from the level place right where the well is. It's the Straits. That's the Straits. This is the view from where the well is. Adjacent lot, the 16-acre lot. That's the well. And the view from this side. This is the 16.8 piece. I can see a boat crossing. It may not show up on the video. I'm standing just above the well site. It's just right there. It would remain unobstructed because the road comes in directly toward this site. There's a house right there. More of number 38. It's a slight grade. It's another cleared area. It's kind of a gradual slope. plenty of sun up on the top. All still that lot down here, the bottom. There's the divider between the two, 38 and 39. That's the line. So this bottom portion, right off the cul-de-sac, is fairly flat, not completely flat. And that is the combination driveway. It's from the bottom of the drive up to the cul-de-sac. Back out. This is October the 22nd, 91. First light from Eleanor and Paul's guest house. They have a fire. Sheringham Point Lighthouse is right there. Right directly in front of the camera. Last night, you could see all the way across to the lights on the other side easily, and the boats going by. This is Paul's front yard. Just tossed an apple down. Here they come up my steps. That's the mama. That's the spike. And that appears to be a younger doe. No, that's a spike also. And that's about 20 feet from me. I mean, probably less. Hello? Has little tiny horns. It's apparently a different batch of offspring. He's sniffing. That's Paul leaving for work. And they just stand there. Paul's calling him like a dog. Apples from Rod's house. And there they come. This is about 8 o'clock, a little before 8 a.m. Oh, look! Look! She swatted him with her front leg. No, he swatted him. That's the older buck.